Best regards from CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited, your healthcare consultant in India. Today we are taking up the topic of right diet for the diabetics, as the right diet for diabetics not only helps in controlling your blood sugar, the complication arising out of diabetes, but also reduces your dosage for diabetes medications. Eat right and keep your diabetes in check. Always remember that a diabetic diet does not mean you skip your medications prescribed by your doctor for controlling your diabetes. A diabetic diet just helps in better control on your diabetes in conjunction with your diabetes medications. The basic purpose of this video is to help the diabetics in choosing the right food for avoiding complications arising out of the diabetes, maintaining a healthy body weight, and improving the energy levels for performing day-to-day tasks, and of course maintain a feeling of general well-being. One must choose from different food groups, as no single food ingredient will provide you all the nutrients your body needs. It also depends on your age, type of build, and activity levels. Balancing the portions of the food ingredients and frequency of meals is also very important for getting the optimum from your diabetic diet. You have to choose from the basic food groups to make your plate complete, balanced, and full of nutrition. Low carbohydrate diabetic diets. Carbohydrates are source of energy for your body. However, your body breaks the carbohydrates as simple sugar, which may aggravate your diabetes. Replace monosaccharide or disaccharide carbohydrate with polysaccharide carbohydrates, as your body takes more time in breaking the polysaccharide carbohydrates. Polysaccharide carbohydrates can be obtained from the high fiber foods like fruits, green leafy vegetables, whole grains like brown rice, buckwheat, and whole oats. Pulses like chickpeas, beans, and lentils, dairy products like unsweetened yogurt, and low fat milk. If you are on diabetes control medications like insulin or other anti-diabetic drugs, go for low carbohydrate diet only after consulting with your clinician, because low carbohydrate diet along with your diabetes medication can send you in a state of hypoglycemia, that is low blood sugar levels. Healthy fats for the diabetics. Diabetes makes the diabetics more vulnerable for cardiovascular diseases. Cutting down on bad fats like saturated, hydrogenated, and trans fats, and replacing them with mono and polyunsaturated fats like omega-3 fatty acids not only cut down the risk of cardiovascular disease but also helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Now, the fats to be avoided by diabetics are saturated fats that comes from the animal source like lard, butter, milk fat, meat, chicken and pork skin, ice creams and cheese. Coconut oil or palm oil also needed to be avoided, as well as hydrogenated or trans fats. Fats to be used in moderation are the good fats are vegetable oil like safflower, corn, soybean, cottonseed and sunflower oil, olive oil, canola oil and peanut oil. Omega-3 fatty acids from the fatty fishes are the nuts. Protein for the diabetics. The body uses protein to build, repair and maintain most of your body tissues and organs. Proteins are also necessary for immune system function. People with impaired renal or kidney function need to take protein as per the guidance of their doctors. The normal source for protein for non-vegetarian people are meat, poultry, milk, fish. Whereas for veg people, the main protein sources are dairy products and plant-based sources. It is advisable for a diabetic to switch to low-fat proteins like lean meat, that is chicken and turkey, without skin of course, low-fat or no-fat dairy products, and plant-based proteins like pulses, soy protein and tofu, etc. Vitamins, minerals and trace elements for diabetics. Before taking any supplement, always ask your doctor for any interaction of these supplements with your diabetes management medicines. ALA or GLA, that are powerful antioxidant. Biotin works in synergy with insulin and increases the activity of glucokinase. Carnitine helps in preventing diabetes. Ketoacidosis. Chromium improves glucose tolerance, lower the fasting glucose levels. Coenzyme Q10 have shown beneficial effect in controlling diabetic retinopathy. Magnesium, manganese, zinc, niacin, potassium, taurine, vanadium, and vitamins like vitamin B6, B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E are found to be useful in general well-being of diabetes patients. Meal timings for diabetics are equally important as their diabetes medicines. Instead of taking 3 meals during the day, diabetics are advised to eat small frequent meals during the course of the day. Small healthy snacks in between the meals will help you in not going into fasting state and reduces your risk of hypoglycemia. It is also supposed to reduce the dosage of your diabetes medications. CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited, your medical and healthcare consultant in India. Eat healthy and keep diabetes and its complication at bay. You can simply WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram us for any queries on our number 9971986258 or drop an email at contact@cmcshealth.com or visit our website www.cmcshealth.com.